How to copy and paste fonts between edits projects. To copy and paste fonts and text elements from one project to another project in Edits video editor, you want to open up Edits and open up the source project. Now here you can see the text. What you can do is you can tap and hold and copy the text from here directly. Tap on the specific text and elements and select the copy option here. So you can see here, once you have selected it from your timeline, right, you can select copy. Now once you have copied it, head back and head into another project there. Head into another project, select text, and you can proceed to paste in here. So once you have opened up a new project here, as you can see here, make sure no videos or no any clip is selected. Head over to this section, scroll down from the list of options here, you'll find the paste option, tap on paste and you'll get pasted. Now I've just spent more time here, so there's nothing to paste, but you should be able to find the option to paste. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.